had to start it off a little different this time. Put you with a little walk around, let you know what's about to be going on, okay? Today's video, man, we're gonna be working on the Batmobile, man, the SRT8, okay? And got my son with me.
What's up?
And we're gonna be working on the Batmobile. Like I said, today what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in a blend door actuator. One of the blend door actuators on my car is going out. It ain't went out completely yet, but it is going out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to give you guys as much detail to it as I can. So I'm gonna get in the car and I'm gonna turn the key. I'm not gonna start it up, but I'll turn the key and see if I can get it to make the noise. So you guys, if anybody out there do have a charger and this happens, or you know you've heard this noise and don't know what it is, you'll be able to pinpoint it and figure out exactly what it is now. So that being said, man, before I go any further, you know what I gotta say, man. Tell a friend, tell anybody that hasn't subscribed, man, go ahead and join the YouTube channel, The Life of Jeremy Barrett, man. And make sure they hit the bell so you can get those good notifications when I drop them. Right here we got my Snapchat. We'll put that up on the screen so you guys get the official one, okay? Follow me on Facebook, Jeremy Barrett. Also too, Instagram is growing, man, so let's keep it going. Instagram, The Life of Jeremy Barrett, okay? And just like that, man, let's get to it. Let me show you what we're talking about, okay? So first foremost, so this is the blend door actuator that I just bought. This is what we'll be replacing. So like I said, I'm gonna try to give you guys the best, most informative information I can give you, okay? It's kind of a hard area where we'll be doing it at, so let me go ahead and get it. We're gonna start by taking the side cover off. So we need a flathead. Get that red handle tool. Get a light so they can see what we're doing. Alright, so no, you need to put it to the side. You need, remember this comes out.
Oh yeah, like this?
Yep. Take that piece off, and then now we need a Phillips. So then there's two Phillips bolts, one right here and one down here. He's going to take those two out, and that'll allow us to pop this whole panel piece at the bottom down, which is one whole piece. Okay, so now you just pull it out. Now you gotta pull the bottom down there. Just kind of give it a little pull. Pull straight towards you. Straight towards you. There you go. Don't be scared of it.
I'm gonna break anything.
Alright, now remember what we gotta do. What do we gotta do here?
We gotta unplug these.
Okay. So we're gonna here goes the noise, you guys. That's the noise I'm talking about. What happens is there's teeth on this actuator, and I'll show you guys. Give me 1 second. While he's taking that apart. Right now, you guys ain't missing much because he's just taking out the clips to the switches and stuff. He's just pulling the pigtails out. So anyways, this is what's happening. Okay, so right here, either on here or in the actual thing itself, inside this box, there's a tooth in one of these parts that are broken. So when it's trying to switch, this thing, either if it's a broken tooth or if it's broken in here, it's catching in that broken area. And so every time it tries to catch on and turn, it's getting caught in that little gap, and it just keeps click, 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 click until it finally catches. And once it finally catches, then it stops. So until it stops, until it catches, it's gonna keep making that noise. So as you can see, it stopped making the noise now. So, all right. So we got everything apart, and now we're gonna start with getting this blend door actuator out of there. So put that one over there.
Oh, baby wrench.
Alright, so let me see if I can get you guys a better view, okay? So, if you look right there, where that pigtail is, that is the blend door actuator right there. So that's what we're going to be replacing. Now, it's not that hard to do. The only thing is there's a bolt right behind this little bracket right here, this metal bracket, that is kind of a little pain to get to. But we have a special tool because obviously I'm a mechanic. So I have some tools, and that's not what you're going to use, but we have this tool right here. So it's a small little tool. You can put your little hex bits in here, which makes it very small, so it's convenient to get in there and ratchet, because this ratchets. So it makes it easier for you to get in there instead of putting a little wrench in there and having to put the bit and turn it and then dropping the bit. So this saves you a little bit of time. So let us get the tool and stuff set, and we'll be right back. Alright, so the noise went off again, okay? And it might be hard to show you guys. Let me see. Alright, so it's going off again, okay? So if you guys look, best I can give you so you see that actuator right behind that pipe up there? That's the one that we're replacing, okay? Now I'm trying to give you the best angle I can. That's about the best you can see it back there. That's the one that we're replacing. So the one that's knocking is the one back there. So obviously you guys can see that it's pretty far back there, so a little guy like him can fit. Alright, so we got the old blend door actuator out. There's actually two. So there's one on this side. That's one right here, okay? That one's not the bad one. But if you look right up there, you see that hole where the light's flashing. There's a hole like there. And then right where is it? Right there's that pigtail right here. We took it out. That's the pigtail for the actuator right there. And then that hole right there where this big gap is right there, where that black area, that is where the blend door actuator, the other one for the driver's side, okay? Because there's two on each side. There's one on the driver, there's two on the driver's side, and there's two on the passenger side. The driver's side is the one that's making noise, and it's the one way up there, okay? So this one is a little bit more of an annoyance to get to, because these pipes here for the heater core, those damn things are hot, and I don't know 100% why they're hot right now when, I mean, the car hasn't been running. It was running earlier, but I mean, you would think like I got the heat on or something, but I guess coolant runs through there, and so it's makes sense to get hot. but I wouldn't expect it to be that hot. But anyways, it's those pipes are hot, so when you go in there to get those 2 bolts, it's 2 bolts that go hold it in, okay? It's that one right there, and those, one goes here. Yeah, let me turn it. It goes like that way. It sits up there like that. One goes here, and then the other one goes right there next to the pigtail. Well, that one up here is a little more of an annoyance to get to, okay? Because I'll show you. So you have to use, damn it, come on. So you have to use a torque bit, star torque bit like this, okay? I don't know if you can get a good view of that. That should be a good view. But anyways, you use a T20 or a 20 torque bit, star torque bit. You use that, an extension for the top one. The bottom one, you don't need the extension. You'll use a smaller one like this. And I have this little special tool here, which makes it easier to get into little small areas. It's a ratcheting tool. It ratchets it both ways, tighten or loosen. So that comes in handy, okay? So with that being said, you guys, it's kind of hard to get the camera in there to show you guys while we're putting it together. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let my son get back to this and put the new one in, which is right here. We're gonna put that new one in, get it all situated. But if you guys, just for like FYI, if you know, if this is information you want to know, or you know, you curious, that clicking noise, sometimes what it can can either be the motor in here is going out and it's like getting stuck, or it can be there's gears in this box inside here. And if you ever want to open it up, you open these little latches here, all around there. You open up all the latches, and when you open up all the latches, you can see the gears. And if you're curious to know, well, what exactly it is that went out, you can open that up, and if you find a broken gear, then you know that's what was causing it to catch. Otherwise, if you don't see any broken gears, 9 times out of 10 it's the motor inside there, okay? It's just either went weak or it's going bad and it's getting stuck. So other than that, man, just like that, man, we'll be back once we get this in. All right, as you guys can see right up there, okay, we got the new one in, pigtails in. Now all we need to do is put the bolts in. So he's gonna go ahead and start by getting those bolts in. All right, I'm back at it, baby, and here's the new blend door put in, okay? Oh shit, where is it? I don't think you guys can see it. There it is, right there, okay? New blend door's in, you see it up there. That one right there where the light's bright on, right there. That's the new blend door. That's put in. All right, everything's put in. So now we are gonna see if we got rid of the noise. All right, got everything all buttoned up, everything put back together. And again, if I could have showed you guys the whole time while he was doing the work and replacing it, it would have been nice, but it was hard. It's a small little area, so it's kind of hard to get in there and show you guys all the details. I tried my best to show you. So you guys comment below, let me know what you think about how we did the video, and if I did a good enough job showing you guys exactly what we was doing, okay? So that being said, I'm gonna let my son do the honors and tell you guys what we should be hearing anymore.
Alright, what's up, Bear Gang? We fixed the blend door actuators to make it so it wouldn't do the clicking noise on the driver's side, because we already fixed it on the passenger side, so that side's already fine. And then this side was the one making the clicking noise, so me and my dad fixed it all up, and then we shouldn't be hearing the clicking noise if we turn on the air conditioning. And yeah.
Switch it to AC. Switch it to vents. So you see how it's on defrost right now? Switch it to, just switch it to the front vents here. No, you see the vents pointing at you?
Mm-hmm.
Press it. There you go. Alright. So as you can see, there's no more clicking noise. It's all fixed. So
just like that, Barrett gang, we're out. We got the job done, did the blend door actuators, it's all good now. And from my dad to you guys to me, thank you for all the love and support and all those likes and subscribes, and thank you for commenting and telling how good my dad and I are doing on the videos. And just like that, we're out. Gang, gang, gang.